Hello, and welcome back to the JTECH Game Studios YouTube channel. My voice commentary is back. It's been a long time. It's still unscripted, so any error may be because I don't have a script. It takes a long time to write out a script. I've already attempted that. I'm a little bit busy currently. Well, my holiday from school, it's over. I have to now do GCSE things, so I've pushed back. I've changed my upload schedule to randomly every week, or it's probably gonna stick to like every 2 weeks. Anyway, so I'm going to show this project that I've been focusing on for the last few weeks. It's so that I can get used to doing story things. This is preparing for Rock Pool RPG. You haven't heard of that game for a long time. Most of you may not have heard of that game. It's an old project that a member of family, my grandma actually, she gave me the idea for it. She suggested it, and I started work on it. I was terrible at storytelling. I didn't really have a clue what I was doing at the time of the start of the development of the game. And now I think I know what I'm doing, storytelling. So I started this project. It's an action adventure game, so there's some story elements in there. It's a game that has been shaped by inspiration. So I've just basically looked at some other games that I quite like and I'm interested in, and I've taken some inspiration from those games, and then I've just put them in this game. So the game is called Radioactive Revival. The story, brief story, is about the player is living on a distant planet. Humans came, each individual country took a little piece of land off of that, and the country you play in is influenced by Britain, and sequels will be taking place at the same time as the story in this one, in the countries on the planet that have been influenced by other ones. I'm probably going to do France next, or Portugal or something. I've got an idea of where I should put everything. So it's a little bit of a short video. I've got footage in the background of this. Nuclear war starts because of some messed up people, extremists. So they have stolen a few nukes from the humans, and they pointed that out. So every country on that planet has now developed their own nukes. Nuclear war happens. That part of the story is inspired by Fallout, and you have to go down, do a few missions. It's also a first-person shooter. Sorry, I forgot to say action-adventure first-person shooter. You have to go around doing missions in different parts of the little country, and then you have to, after all those missions have been finished, then you have to go to the communication center after you've cleared all of the threats away, and you have to call the government down and all that. Anyway, I'm going to just end this off in about 20 seconds or something. Anyway, it's going to be my most advanced game yet, basically. I have no idea when exactly I'm going to be releasing it. It's probably going to be sometime in 2019, because it's going to take a little bit of a while to get the rest of the map done. I've only got the village that you spawn in done yet, right now. Anyway, I'm going to end the video right here. It was very short. I couldn't keep track of everything. Like, subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.